Today I'm checking out this multifunction solar panel charging cable that I was sent so I could do this review. Let's get it out of the bag and check it out. So this is called a 7-in-1 cable because it has 6 different ends, and then it has another cap here that lets you use a straight end, or you can use this angled bracket, this 90-degree angle here. So that way you can plug it into different power stations. And that's basically what I'm going to be using it for. I'm going to have this hooked up to some portable solar panels, and these different types of ends are all the different ends that I have for my power stations. So this one cable can probably power every single power station that I have from solar. Let's go ahead and check out some of these connectors. So this is my all powers power station that I have here. And in this case, you would hook this up to the solar panel. And for this all powers, it uses this solar input supply cable here that has this end on it. So this is a pretty common connector used on power stations. So as you can see, I can just come over here, slide that in. So I'd plug the cable in here. It goes in nice and snug. Now I'd be able to charge this power station from solar. Let's try some of the others. For this power station here, I would use a different one of the connector ends and plug it right into the DC in. Charge this thing right up. Same thing with my run hood power station here. Just grab the connector that fits, plug it in. I'm on my way to charging this up. And even my oldest power station of them all, it's got the small Anderson style connector here. Could plug that in, charge it that way, or I could use this plug. Plug it right in and charge it up. Then of course, this side here for the solar panel, it's a regular MC4 connector. Just plug that in. And now any of my standard solar panels that I have would be able to just plug into this and use this cable to charge every single power station I own. One cable does it all. Not to mention that these cables are really nice thick cables. They look like they're going to last for a really long time. And that's what I need when we're out camping. I want to be able to rely on this cable, and it definitely looks like it will hold up over time. I really like it. I definitely think you will too. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.